Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net. So, I wanted to talk today about credit and savings. So, I know a lot of you are interested in maybe purchasing your first home. I just wanted to get on here and just ask, what are some of the things that you all are striving to do in this year or 2020? So, for me, our goal, me and my husband in 2021, was to purchase a home. So we needed to have savings and we needed to have um, our credit as best as we could get it. We needed to have our credit as best as we could get it. So, hey, thanks for watching. So, what are your financial goals? What are you trying to do? Right now, I have a program where you can fix your credit yourself. So I went through it. I was able to increase my credit 70 points. So does anybody here want to improve their credit score, or, just improve your finances overall? But that's what I do. I help people just, get ahead financially, right? So if you're looking to do something soon, you want to position yourself. And that's where I was. I really wanted to improve my credit because I didn't understand it. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey Patricia. Hey Mocha. Hey Queen. Thanks for watching. So are you interested in, what are your financial goals? Like, why are we connected? Or what are your entrepreneurial goals? Because when I first started this Instagram, I was teaching people how to build their business online, which that's something that everybody needs to do. I'm doing it. But my focus is on finances. It has been for the last few years because I want my finances to be where they need to be, setting the foundation for the moves I'm going to be making. All right. So what are y'all financial goals? DM me or put it down below. But I'll give you a tip for credit. So one of the ladies who took action and got her DIY credit repair kit, course, whatever you want to call it, she's in there, right? And her credit score has increased by 63 points. I posted it. So I post results that I get, or I post results that the people that I'm working with get, or people in our business are getting. So Queen says, I'm working on my credit. I need help with my online business. Okay. So inbox me. I don't know where you're at. I don't know if you're just starting. Are you just starting from the beginning? I started my online business 7 years ago. Isn't that crazy? I came online because I didn't want to do the offline strategies. It was just too much work. Not that I did it. I put in the work, but yeah, you want to work on your credit. So long story short, I became a stay-at-home mom, started my own business 7 years ago. But there's some things that I wish that I knew. Okay, I wish that I knew. You're just getting started. So come on. I can show you how you can increase your credit and your cash flow. Inbox me. I want to know what you do for a living. You got to have a system. Let me see if I can give an example. Like McDonald's. They're a franchise. They hire people to work, right? Work the machines, work their system. They hire people to work their system. So you need to have a system. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom or you work outside the house, you need to have a system for your finances. So getting your credit up, because you need to have a system because, if you have a business, you need to have tax write-offs, unless you just want to pay a lot in taxes. I was talking to someone. They have a job. They don't have a business. And, they owe money to the IRS. So one tip I can give you is, if you have a job and you have a business, either way, if you have just a business, full-time business, or if you have a full-time job and a full-time business or a part-time business, you need to minimize your taxes. The fact that you're in business doesn't mean that you're just gonna save money on taxes, because believe it or not, there's hundreds of thousands of people in general, whether they have a job or a business, who overpay in taxes. They just don't know it. And the IRS will tell you that. So you need a system to keep everything organized and to keep with your goals and what you're focused on. So if you're focused on increasing your credit, so what are you doing to fix your credit, Queen? Or what's your name? Cherry? V Cherry Queen? What are you doing to fix your what have you tried to fix your credit? So the lady I was talking to recently, she just paid down some debt because she learned that utilization matters. Your credit utilization is a huge part of your credit score. It's like 30 something percent, at least 30%. So you can actually build up your credit. So one thing, I'll give you a tip and then I'll wrap it up. So say you're working on your credit, you're building an online business, you're going to have business expenses. Put those on a credit card and pay them off every single month, okay? So your name is Vivian and you've paid off some bills. Good. That always helps. But no, like some of you have a lot, like you have thousands of dollars worth of like credit card debt and it's overwhelming. Make sure you don't just, okay, so if you just have to pay the minimum, do that. Pay that on time because that matters. But if you want to increase your credit score pretty quick, you just pay extra down on some bills. So there's different, so while you're trying to work on your credit, while you're trying to build your online business, just know that there are ways, I'm losing my train of thought, but you can use the system, build up your credit, be organized, because there's a lot that goes into it. I could talk about so much. So when you get you don't just automatically get taxed. So even if you just know that you have over 400 tax write-offs available to you as a business owner, that's not going to do anything for you. It's when you actually start keeping good records. That's what it comes down to, because your receipts equals cash. So keep your receipts. Oh, that's what I was saying. So, keep your receipts for when you're paying for whatever you have to pay for to run your business. Keep your receipts, okay? And you don't have to keep them in a box, in a shoebox. That's what a lot of people have done. But keep your receipts, because those will equal cash when it comes to tax time. And that is what's going to get you the deductions. So say you work your job and you earn $50,000. Well, you have a business and let's just say you had $2,000 worth of write-offs. That included whatever you needed to start your business and to maintain your business, and like maybe some advertising. That amount of money that you put in, let's say it's $2,000, let's say it's $5,000, because there's over 400, and a lot of the things you're paying for anyways, you could actually it could become a tax deduction when you have a business. So keep those receipts. That way, when it comes to tax, so for that example, you're gonna be, you earned $50,000. You're gonna get taxed on $50,000. But if you have a business and you say like you have like $5,000 worth of write-offs for the year, well, now instead of getting taxed on the $50,000, you'll get taxed on $45,000, which means you're paying less in taxes. Your business is helping you pay less in taxes. Plus, you need to have more than one income in this economy in all ways, but especially in this economy, because things were different 20-30 years ago. But now you need to have more than one income because of inflation, all of what COVID bring, as far as us, the government kind of giving us money, the stimulus, that has consequences. So one of those is inflation, but it's happening, faster. Usually it's 3% a year. So fix up your credit. And I started to talk about business or homeowners. So if you want to become a homeowner, don't just focus on your credit, the score, but also focus on cleaning up the profile. And you got to have savings. You have to have savings. When you're going through the process of buying a home, you got to have savings from beginning to end. Like, you already have to have the savings ready to go. So have a certain amount, learn about, what you think you'll need. But Cherry Queen, you said yes. What did I ask you? But anyhow, you need a system, improve your credit, and improve your save you money in taxes. It'll actually help your business. You keeping track of what you're spending. So now there are strategies you can do for free. Vivian. And that's what I've done for 7 years. I've done free strategies. Just for me, what's worked is networking and talking to people. But I love marketing because that's how you get the people in your inbox. Or you can reach out to people. But yeah, so definitely do that. Focus on how can this business save me money this year. Like, you need to revisit your W-4. So so inbox me if you want some help, because I have some questions, and then we can see how we can put together what you're doing to help you build your credit up and help you have success in your online business. A lot of you all are entrepreneurs, so I think I'm going to do like a marketing Monday, and I'm going to give like a marketing tip every single week, something that you can take and that you can apply, because you need to be marketing every day. So, but you do want to set up a marketing budget. I'm just going to tell you, me, pretty much all the money that I have earned over these past 7 years, I reinvested it, most of it, into courses and coaches. Because if you don't know, you just don't know, and you don't want to, and I never thought I would, what am I trying to say? I didn't know anything about business. You do want to have a marketing budget for business. And you do want to learn business. So you want to be networking and talking to people, but you also, on the back end, want to have, whether you hire somebody or you do it yourself, learn how to do paid advertising, because you got to have a budget. You can only go so far. And I don't know what your experience is. I don't know what your goals are, as far as your income goals for your business, or if it's just something you do because you love it and the money doesn't matter, but you want to make money. So yeah, inbox me. All right, Kayla. Oh no, Kayla. But thanks for watching, you guys. Yeah. So just follow me. I like to talk about all things personal financial success. I just put some gas in my car, and I'm going to give this to my sister. I'm going to give her this home finance and bill organizer. So you want to be organized in your business, right? Because it's going to help you save a lot of money and save a lot of stress and save a lot of time. But I got her this, and then this coffee. I actually sell this on my website, but I've been drinking it for some years, and I love it. It has some good stuff. Green coffee bean, green tea extract, Garcinia Cambogia. It makes me feel so good. But I had these, and I'm just going to give that to her. That's where I'm headed now. So thanks for watching. I like talking about money and business and, personal financial success, because people have taken their lives over being stressed over money, in debt. People have gotten divorced. Actually, I don't know if this is still true, but the number one cause of divorce is money issues. So I'm married, and then there's people who are single who have to deal with money. So you have to learn the basics of money, and then how to deal with other people if you're married. But anyhow, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. But click the link in my bio. You can fix your credit yourself. That's what I did. I increased my credit score 70 points. I was able to get me a house. And so if you're interested in getting a house and you want to position yourself now, make sure you're fixing your credit now. You can do it yourself. You can hire somebody. But click the link in my bio if you want to do it yourself and get your savings up. So doing what I'm just telling you about your business, saving money in taxes, paying yourself first, keeping your receipts for whatever you spend in your business. So if you have a home, it's crazy. We're going to talk about a lot of things, and I hope, y'all can let me know what your financial goals are, and we can learn something and learn something that's going to help you save money and increase your credit score using with what you already have going on. Whether you have a job, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, let's look at your situation and figure out how can we save money, how can we save more money, and how can we increase our credit score. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about in this summer, and I'll see y'all in the next live. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to my link in my bio and check out how to fix your credit, and I got some other goodies over there. See y'all. Bye.